Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus smartphone, and in today's video we would like to demonstrate how you can activate, manage and generally utilize the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, you want to launch the keyboard. In here, tap on this very icon that stands for the clipboard itself and turn on this toggle. And that will effectively mean that from now on the clipboard of your keyboard is successfully activated. If you would like to remove some of the elements you have over here, tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to get rid of, and then select the trash bin just like so. Obviously, if you want for something to be, well, added to the clipboard, you gotta simply copy it. So let's say I want to add the word car. All that I gotta do in order for it to be added to the clipboard is simply select it, copy, and once I open the clipboard again, I'll see that the car word has been successfully added as its most recent element. And from here, just tap on any, well, element you have at the clipboard in order for it to be respectively pasted, as you can see by looking at this search bar. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.